wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. With a cooling mesh back, the OFM Essentials will help keep your body temperature under control, even if work sometimes pushes you to the boiling point. It reclines and swivels, so you don't need to sit ramrod straight all day. It comes with sculpted arms for comfort and a 3-year limited warranty. However, it's not ideal for large individuals. At number 9, built like a tank to last for years, the Honwave provides specialized support to help prevent shoulder, neck and back strain over prolonged periods of sitting. This one's suitable for very heavy individuals and comes with a limited 5-year warranty. It offers an adjustable recline and the seat is firm yet comfortable, but the armrests are too low for some people. Coming in at number 8 on our list. It won't be mistaken for an executive chair, but the OFM 3060 should prove satisfactory for anyone seeking an affordable, well-built model that doesn't take up much space. The seat is contoured and the backrest contains soft cushioning. You can choose from black or grey, and it provides good value for the performance, though the seat padding is quite thin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, despite its simple design, the greenforest study is quite solid, featuring a one-touch pneumatic height adjustment lever and a convenient 360-degree swivel action. Its rubber wheels ensure it rolls quietly and leaves your floor scratch-free. It's lightweight and easy to move, with a stable 5-caster base and a 200-pound weight capacity. Moving up our list to number 6. Constructed with a thick padded seat that's designed to provide comfort and reduce stress on your legs, the Boss Office Posture is made from a durable, plush-looking microfiber that's easy to clean. You can put it together in minutes. It's a compact, space-saving design that's available in 4 colors. It's also available without arms. Halfway up our list at number 5. Made with durable upholstery that should withstand daily use, the Rimiking Modern offers both comfort and elegant aesthetics. It glides smoothly on various floor types, and its 5-point metal base provides dependable stability. It comes with soft foam padding and rotates 360 degrees. The rubber casters don't mar floors. At number 4, surprisingly well built for such an affordable model, the Bestoffice mid-back looks professional and rolls smoothly on its durable casters. The sponge-like seat can be raised and lowered to accommodate people of varying heights. It's very sturdy despite its compact size and promises a quick and easy assembly, thanks to an included Allen wrench. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, sitting for extended periods can take a toll on the neck and lower back, which is why the vertagear SL2000 is designed to promote an impeccable posture. The tough fabric is soft but firm, and the armrests can be raised or lowered as needed. It features a memory foam pillow, an easy-to-use tilting system, and a rigid steel frame. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, elegant and comfortable, the Office Star Light Air features advanced lumbar support with adjustable tilting capabilities. The firm mesh back breathes nicely, and it has mounting holes for a headrest if you decide you want to purchase one separately. The casters work well on carpet, and there's a stylish platinum finish on the base. It's made with high-quality leather. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Thanks to a strong wide base, the Smugdesk Black can accommodate individuals weighing up to 300 pounds. A removable headrest protrudes from the top of the ergonomic backrest, and the soft armrests provide a comfortable place for your arms. The height of the headrest is adjustable, and the seat pad maintains its shape well. It comes with the required assembly tools. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling chairs, or simply click beneath this video.